The next iPhone may not be a routine upgrade at all. If the latest leaks are accurate, the upcoming Apple iPhone 18 Pro Max could mark one of the biggest shifts in the history of Apple smartphones. One of the most surprising rumors focuses on Apple's release schedule. Multiple industry reports claim the iPhone 18 lineup may launch in two separate waves instead of the traditional single event. According to these leaks, fall 2026 could bring the premium models, the Apple iPhone 18 Pro and Apple iPhone 18 Pro Max, possibly alongside Apple's long-rumored foldable iPhone. Months later, around spring 2027, Apple may introduce the standard Apple iPhone 18, the Apple iPhone 18e, and a new ultra-thin model rumored to be called Apple iPhone Air. If this strategy happens, Apple would effectively dominate the tech news cycle for nearly an entire year rather than just a few weeks. Design changes also appear to be on the way. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to keep its large 6.9-inch display, but leaks suggest the dynamic island could shrink noticeably. Apple is reportedly moving more Face ID components beneath the screen, reducing the visible cutout and pushing the device closer to a true full-screen iPhone. However, the biggest headline revolves around the camera. Several reports say Apple is experimenting with a variable aperture main lens for the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Current iPhones use a fixed aperture that never changes, but a variable aperture can physically adjust the lens opening depending on lighting conditions. In darker scenes, the aperture widens to capture more light. In bright environments, it narrows to improve detail and depth. Additional camera upgrades are rumored as well. The telephoto lens may receive a wider aperture, which would improve zoom performance in low-light conditions. Meanwhile, the front-facing camera could jump to 24 megapixels, offering sharper selfies, clearer FaceTime calls, and stronger 4K video recording. Performance improvements are also expected. The Apple A20 Pro chip is rumored to be built using advanced 2nm manufacturing technology. This smaller process could deliver faster speeds, improved efficiency, stronger gaming performance, and significantly enhanced AI capabilities while using less power. That efficiency may support one of the most shocking leaks. Some reports claim the iPhone 18 Pro Max battery could exceed 5,000 mAh and deliver up to 40 hours of usage. Even if the device becomes slightly thicker, a battery capable of lasting an entire day of heavy use would dramatically improve the user experience. Apple is also reportedly expanding satellite communication features beyond emergencies, potentially allowing messaging or limited data access even without a traditional cellular signal. Current rumors suggest Apple may keep pricing relatively stable, despite these upgrades, possibly starting around $999 for the base Pro model and about $1,199 for the iPhone 18 Pro Max. That's all for now. See you again in the next one. Goodbye.